Hello, beautiful people. I want to take some time out to thank you guys for being a part of this awesome community. I recently just passed 10,000 subscribers. Woohoo! I'm so excited about that. And I'm truly grateful for all of the comments and the shares, the direct messages, your attempts to reach out and connect with me. You all continue to inspire me to think outside of the box and to find new and helpful solutions to your everyday challenges. And I'm seriously so happy to have been able to connect with so many of you in such a short period of time. So thank you, thank you, thank you. It really does mean so much to me. And in that spirit, today I wanted to take some time to share some of my recent journey with you all and why I love being an occupational therapist and doing what I do. So I talk about my journey to OT in a different video that I can link in the description box for you all, but in a nutshell, I was in search of a new career in which I would feel fulfilled, and I knew that that meant I needed to be helping people. And with some help, I stumbled across OT and basically jumped head first. I did some research, but I didn't have a lot of time to make a choice, and I just had this gut feeling that this would not lead me astray and that this would be a wonderful fit for me. And it has been all of that and so much more. In the past 5 years, I've had so many opportunities to help and impact some of the sweetest kids you will ever meet. And while it is certainly not always rainbows and sunshine as an occupational therapist, something I noted while working with these kiddos is I remember feeling this underlying sense of joy when I had the opportunity to connect with parents. It was like this massive sense of gratitude that I felt when parents were able to drop their walls and be vulnerable with me and just connect with me on a human-to-human basis. Like, tell me what their struggles really are, what their challenges are, what I can do to support them, and what's realistic for them and their family. And I kid you not, it is always in those moments when magic starts to happen and things shift. When you share that human connection with someone and they're able to share their truths with you, I feel like that's where the foundation to growth is built. So this feeling has definitely stayed with me, and it's the reason in which I started Kids OT Help. And it's also the reason why this YouTube channel has ultimately gotten where it has. I honestly strive to have that human connection with as many of you as I possibly can. I want to share that love and that sense of community and let you know that I struggle alongside you and that I hear your challenges. We all know that being a parent is tough, and some days we just completely fail. But having one another to uplift each other, to encourage each other, and to push each other forward is what it's all about. Honestly, I never, ever thought that I would be where I am today. I'm a completely different person, point blank. Very different. This entire experience has completely shifted my mindset in terms of what I believe is possible, the goals that I set for myself, and how I think about things. And really, this just comes back to a huge thank you to you guys for inspiring me day in and day out. You all are the real MVPs. So in celebration of 10K, I want you guys to leave me a comment down below and let me know what videos you want to see next. I've gotten some great feedback already from a lot of you mamas who want to see videos on the sensory system, so I got you. It's in the queue. I'm working on that. But let me know, what do you guys want to see? Right now I'm trying to get 2019 in order. So go ahead, leave a comment, place your order down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. That way you don't miss potentially seeing the video that you recommended that I shoot. That would suck. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today and every day. I love you all so much, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.